After a long time, we all are together. Today, I am sending you the video of your new chapter. This is the first part of your chapter. In second video, you will get rest of the part of chapter. So, watch and listen carefully and see full video. If you will not see full video, you will not be able to understand all the chapter. I hope you all will watch full video. You will try to understand all the things, and please concentrate on your study and take care of your health. Let's start video. Now I am starting explain all the things thoroughly. Good morning students. Today we will start our next topic, that is articles. Articles a, an and the. We have 3 articles, and these 3 articles are divided into 2 parts. Firstly, we come to know about the articles. Articles are determiners that indicate the nouns. We can say that articles always come before the noun. So, I am repeating again, article are determiners that indicate the nouns. Okay, and as I have told you, we have only 3 articles, a, an and the. These 3 articles are divided into 2 parts. Now I will tell you about the 2 parts of articles. The first one indefinite and the second one is definite. Indefinite articles are a and n. Okay, a and n are the indefinite article, and definite article is the. Okay, I hope you are getting. We have 2 types of article. One is indefinite and second one is definite. In indefinite, a and n come, and indefinite the comes. Firstly, I will tell you about indefinite articles. As I have told you, indefinite articles are a and n. These are called so because they do not indicate any particular person. Means they do not tell about any particular person, thing or place. Such articles are used only with singular countable nouns, denoting to one. It is for the singular, you know. Now I will tell you the difference of using a and n. Okay, firstly, I will explain about a. A is used before nouns beginning with consonants and consonant sounds. Okay, if there is a consonant in noun, means a noun is starting with a consonant or sound of consonant, then we use a before it. Okay, and now I will tell you about n. N is used before nouns beginning with vowels and vowels sound. Okay, you know there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Before the sound of these 5 vowels we use n. Okay, if noun is starting with the sound of these 5 vowels we use n before it. And one more thing is there, if the noun is singular. Okay, now I will tell you about definite article. Definite article is the. The is used with both singular and plural nouns. Okay, it is used for a particular person, thing or place. We can say like this, it is called so because it points to a particular person, thing or place. It can be used with both singular and plural nouns and even with uncountable nouns. So definite articles, what are definite articles? Which tells about the particular person, and this can come before singular or plural noun. It can also come before uncountable nouns.